Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we have an online shopping luxury haul. Yes, we do. I am so excited because we have a couple of items from brands that I've bought from before and know and love, and a few items from brands that I've never bought from before or that I'm very new to, and we have some really unexpected gems here. Also, with a lot of these pieces, very versatile, as in we can do spring summer as we are currently in, and we can knock it out of the damn park. And guess what? We can rework them for autumn winter. Versatility, get your money's worth, cost per wear. Sodding get it, girl. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay, starting off with item number one. So I saw this and I was like, oh, I feel like I could do a lot of good work with you. This is from Off-White, and it is a long sleeve turtleneck. If you're a seasoned subscriber, you know how much I love and respect a turtleneck. If you're new here, well, now you know. An essential. Anyway, and it's in this like really interesting abstract kind of print. I was drawn to it because you've got a lot of the neutrals, that grey and sort of like greensy greys and whatever, but then you have this pop of orange that I really respect, and I'm like, oh my gosh, just a fabulous pop of colour. We can do so much with her. Obviously because it's all off-white, you've got these little off-white pattern and off-white pattern, and it's in different places. It just gives a little bit of pizzazz, reminds people that this is Off-White, if you didn't already know. I actually thought it was going to be like a mesh and a little bit more see-through, but I'm very happy to report that it is opaque, nothing is showing through, so you really get that like full impact of the pattern and not like, oh, and I can also see your bra underneath and now I'm a little bit distracted by the titties. Do you understand? I'm really trying to do more colour when it comes to my autumn winter wardrobe. I think I'm pretty good at colour for spring summer, but for autumn winter, I don't know, I can get very into all black everything, let's get it, which I love, but you know, I'm trying a little bit, so this is my way of trying. It's also really like, the material's great, it's really nice and thin, so she's a really great layering piece. So I want to wear her spring summer with shorts, and then autumn winter we layer the woman up, okay? Very excited about this one. So this I got in a size 42. To be very honest with you, I could have gotten a size down if I wanted more of like a tight look. I am loving this. This came from the Off-White boutique in Italy, and I got it on Farfetch, who is kindly sponsoring today's video. And do you know what that means? Say it with me. There's a code. Keep listening. I love working with Farfetch. I've worked with Farfetch for, I think it's coming up to a year now, or just under a year. I have been using Farfetch for years. I love it. It has always been a great place for discovering new brands that I haven't really heard about much before. And also, I know everybody says this, but like hard to get items, because if you didn't know, Farfetch is an online platform that basically has boutiques, department stores, luxury stores from all over the world onto one site. Because they have that global reach, you have a better chance of like finding some sold out item that is like, oh my gosh, miraculously in your size in some random boutique in like, help me, think of a place, like Malta, where you would never have known to have looked before, kind of thing. So throughout this haul, I will tell you where each of the items are dispatched from, just so that you have an idea of like where all these pieces have come from and the kinds of stores on Farfetch. The other thing I love about Farfetch is that the prices that you see include like import and customs fees and all of that, which makes it so much easier to shop. I also do have an edit on Farfetch, a snippet of it will be here. These are things that I have on my wish list or I've been paying close attention to, or I just like the sodding look of, right? So I will have that linked below in case you want to explore. My code is on the screen, okay? It is usually valid from about 30 days since I post this video, but all of the terms and conditions will be below if you want to look at anything in more detail, excluded brands and all of that. Thank you as always to Farfetch for sponsoring this part of the video. Let's get into the second item. This one was on my wish list and I finally pulled the trigger. Azed Factory. I have been wanting to buy a piece from them since they launched last year. Was it last year or beginning of this year? I have no concept of time. Anyway, this is the My Body strap dress. Now, one of the main reasons I wanted to buy a piece from Azed Factory is this knit that they've got, right? Because If I can get any more help, I'm going to accept it, okay? If I'm going to buy a dress that sucks me in and keeps everything tight and right and looking fine, I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to go for you over a dress that's, you know, not giving me any. You know? This knit is even better than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting a kind of like a vélégé bandage dress kind of knit. Oh no. She is thick with 3 C's in the best way. You see that? You see how easily it stretches? Glorious. Okay, it hugs the body. Everything is really nice and tight, but it's not uncomfortable. It just fits gloriously. I see this as my kind of like pretty woman dress. Like, I feel like Julia Roberts, you know, living her best life, shopping on a Rodeo Drive in this dress. I love, because you know me, so it's a very, very simple, timeless dress. But what I love about this is just that little touch of gold details on the back. You've got these little 2 buttons here. You've got the gold zip. This little like dangly thing, you can detach or you can keep on or whatever for a little bit of zhuzh, a little bit of pizzazz. This fits stunningly. Now, the other thing that I love about this dress as well, because it's so simple and that knit and the comfort of it, you can do day or night. The possibilities are truly endless. Azed Factory is a very size-inclusive range. I got a size medium. It's perfection. And this dress actually came directly from the Azed Factory warehouse in Italy. Okay, I'm into shorts. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I'm into a fabulous statement short for the summer. Get it out. Get the legs out. Get your legs out for the lads. These Fendi Vertigo shorts. So when I saw the Vertigo collection drop, I was like, these are so me. But for some reason, well, I know the reason. For the reason that I got my Gucci shorts, I was like, I've just got a pair of like expensive statement shorts and whatever. I probably don't need another pair. And while I don't, I did convince myself to get them. Why? Because they are not the same. These are a little bit more casual going, right? A little bit more of a casual vibe here than the Gucci ones, but that doesn't mean that she's only restricted to casual times. She can be dressed up or down. It's very much like a track pant vibe, right? You've got the skinny black stripe down the side. You've got pockets. We love a good pocket. And then you've got these really thick double, what are these called? Double laces? What is that? Ties. Tie. It's like a shoelace, but it's not. What is this? A sodden drawstring. There's a size 40. Like I said, they're from the new Vertigo collection. Hence, you have this kind of drunken FF Zucker print. There we go. I like these as well because you have that very Fendi Zucker print, but there's something a little bit different, obviously, because of the Vertigo collection. You bring these out year after year. I am actually going to really enjoy styling these for autumn winter with a black tight and a pair of boots. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, black turtleneck. Stop. I'm getting too excited. Black turtleneck bodysuit. And these came direct from the Fendi store on Bond Street in London. Now, the next item is a little bit boring, I'm not going to lie to you, but I did buy it to wear with these shorts. It is essentially, it's a black crop t-shirt with a little bit of something happening. Do you see it? There it is on that corner. Now, this is from the brand. I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this correctly, so I'm just going to throw it out there. 1017 Alex 9SM. I just wanted a black crop top because I was like, I want this with this for the summer, okay? Because that's going to be a sodding look anyway. And I don't have a black crop t-shirt, okay? I have a black t-shirt, black bodysuit, not a cropped one. Also, I'm sorry, how hard is it to find a cropped black t-shirt that like doesn't have my entire stomach just on show? Oh my gosh, they were all like up here. It's like, oh my gosh, my breasts aren't even safe, you know? So this was the only one. It hit really nice level. I want it to hit at the waistband. Okay, that's the vibe I'm going for. I'm going for like boxy, a little bit, I have a vibe in my head, and this just helped me. It helped me get there, okay? And I'm sorry it's boring, but it's needed. I got a size small, and this came from the boutique Vitkak in Poland. The last item, iconic, legendary, game-changing, everything of the mother effing sort. These aren't going to get the credit that they deserve. Like, online, like this, I already know that there's not going to be much hype about these, which is actually why, get after them, okay? These are low-key fire. As we know, I recently bought my first Rene Caovilla purchase, right? And I got those like very classic Diana sandals in my last haul. And then I saw these. Stop. This is everything that should happen to a boot is happening right here. Firstly, the leather is so soft and beautiful and stunning. You have got the like black grey crystal trim all around the sodding side. Then you have the signature Rene Caovilla curling snake. What the hell is this? I have no clue, but it gives me snake vibes. Are you sodding kidding me? Okay, if you didn't want all of this extra bit, they do them just with like the crystal trim here, but I'm sorry, if you're going to do it, do it. Okay? Go big or go home. I am going to say something very controversial. I like these more than my Chanel boots. Yes. Yes, I do. And they're just so much more fabulous. I am in love. These are a little bit taller than my usual ankle boots. They hug the leg. I cannot wait to wear them. I got a size 39 and they're true to size. Cassie, can you like give value to people, please, and just stop going on and on about how much you love these? But I sodding love them. These came from a boutique called Vincenzo in Italy. And I may have babies with them. I don't know. Like, that's how strongly I feel about them. They're everything. Anyway, let me know what you thought about my purchases. I will have my Farfetch code on the screen right now. Go forth, get your discount. DM me on Instagram to tell me what you got because I love it when you send me your purchases. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you like it, tell your friends. If you don't, keep your mouth shut.
I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.